Welcome to our channel, where we share insider tips and strategies to help you succeed in the world of podcasting and turn your passion into profit. Today, we're diving into the top 7 ways for beginner podcasters to make a significant income from their shows. Whether you're just starting or looking to level up your podcasting game, this video is packed with actionable advice you won't want to miss. Also, don't forget to download the free ebook on how to make money online using AI chatbots without coding. The link is in the description down below. So let's get started. Number 1. Choose a profitable niche. Selecting a profitable niche is the foundation of a successful podcasting venture. Begin by conducting thorough market research to identify trending topics and areas of high audience demand. Analyze existing podcasts within your chosen niche to understand their content, audience engagement, and monetization strategies. Look for gaps or underserved segments where you can offer unique value and cater to a specific audience's needs. Once you've narrowed down your niche, focus on creating content that resonates with your target audience. Develop a content strategy that aligns with your niche's interests, pain points, and preferences. Incorporate storytelling, expert insights, and audience interaction to keep listeners engaged and coming back for more. Consistency in content delivery is key to building a loyal listener base and establishing your authority within the niche. Moreover, choosing a profitable niche opens doors to various monetization opportunities. Brands and advertisers are more inclined to collaborate with podcasts that cater to specific demographics or interests. By positioning yourself as an expert in your niche and delivering valuable content consistently, you pave the way for sponsorships, partnerships, and other revenue streams that contribute to your podcast's financial success. Before we continue, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Leave a comment down below with the country you live in. Number 2. Create high-quality content. Creating high-quality content is paramount to the success of your podcast and its ability to generate revenue. Start by defining your podcast's unique value proposition. What sets it apart from others in your niche? This could be your expertise, storytelling style, guest interviews, or a combination of factors. Craft compelling episode titles and descriptions that capture attention and entice listeners to tune in. Invest time and effort into producing well-researched, informative, and entertaining episodes. Structure your content to engage listeners from start to finish, incorporating elements like hooks, cliffhangers, anecdotes, and actionable insights. Leverage your personality and authentic voice to build rapport with your audience and keep them eagerly anticipating each new episode. Consistency is key in maintaining listener engagement and attracting sponsorships. Establish a regular posting schedule that your audience can rely on, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Engage with your listeners through social media, email newsletters, and community forums to gather feedback, suggestions, and ideas for future episodes. By consistently delivering high-quality content that resonates with your audience, you lay a strong foundation for monetization opportunities and long-term success. Number 3. Monetize with sponsorships. Monetizing your podcast through sponsorships is a popular and lucrative avenue for generating revenue. Start by identifying potential sponsors that align with your podcast's niche, values, and target audience. Research brands, companies, or products that your listeners would find relevant and valuable. Reach out to these potential sponsors with a compelling pitch that highlights your podcast's reach, engagement metrics, and demographic insights. Integrate sponsorships seamlessly into your podcast episodes to maintain listener interest and avoid appearing overly promotional. Craft engaging ad scripts or host-grade endorsements that resonate with your audience and showcase the sponsor's offerings in a genuine and compelling manner. Monitor sponsorship performance through analytics and listener feedback to assess the effectiveness of each partnership and refine your approach for future collaborations. If you're eager to quit the 9-to-5 hamster wheel, make sure you subscribe so I can keep creating more content like this. Number 4. Offer premium content or memberships. Diversifying your revenue streams through premium content or memberships can significantly boost your podcast's financial success. Consider creating exclusive content or membership tiers that provide added value and incentives for your most dedicated listeners. This could include bonus episodes, extended interviews, behind-the-scenes access, ad-free listening, or downloadable resources. Develop a pricing strategy that reflects the value of your premium offerings while remaining accessible and attractive to your audience. Offer tiered membership options with varying benefits to cater to different levels of engagement and commitment. Promote your premium content or memberships through your podcast episodes, social media channels, email newsletters, and website to attract subscribers and encourage conversions. Engage with your premium subscribers by soliciting feedback, hosting exclusive Q&A sessions, or offering personalized perks. Regularly update and refresh your premium content to keep subscribers engaged and excited about their membership. Leverage analytics and listener feedback to refine your premium offerings, pricing structure, and promotional strategies for ongoing growth and sustainability. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing presents a powerful opportunity for podcasters to monetize their content by promoting products or services relevant to their audience. Begin by identifying reputable affiliate programs that align with your podcast's niche and cater to your listeners' interests. Research products or services that you personally use and believe in, as genuine recommendations carry more weight with your audience. Integrate affiliate marketing seamlessly into your podcast episodes by discussing relevant products or services in a natural, informative manner. Craft compelling calls to action that encourage listeners to explore more or make a purchase through your affiliate links. Provide value-added content such as product reviews, tutorials, or case studies to showcase the benefits and features of the promoted offerings. Track affiliate performance using unique tracking links or codes provided by affiliate programs. Monitor conversion rates, click-throughs, and earnings to gauge the effectiveness of your affiliate marketing efforts. Optimize your affiliate strategies by testing different promotions, offers, and placements within your episodes to maximize conversions and revenue generation. Building strong relationships with affiliate partners and delivering genuine, valuable recommendations can lead to long-term success in affiliate marketing for your podcast. If you can't wait to achieve financial freedom and live life on your terms, hit the like button. Number 6, crowdfunding and donations. Crowdfunding platforms like Patreon and Kickstarter offer podcasters a way to secure funding directly from their audience. Start by creating compelling campaigns that clearly communicate the value of supporting your podcast. Highlight the benefits backers will receive, such as exclusive content, early access, merchandise, or personalized shout-outs to incentivize contributions. In addition to crowdfunding platforms, consider accepting donations through platforms like PayPal, Buy Me a Coffee, or Venmo. Provide easy-to-use donation links or buttons on your website, social media profiles, and podcast episodes for listeners who wish to make one-time contributions. Express gratitude and appreciation to donors through personalized messages, acknowledgments, or special perks to cultivate a sense of community and encourage ongoing support for your podcasting endeavors. Number 7, create and sell merchandise. Turning your podcast brand into merchandise can be a fun and profitable way to generate revenue while building brand awareness and loyalty. Start by brainstorming merchandise ideas that resonate with your audience and reflect your podcast's identity. This could include branded apparel like t-shirts, hoodies, hats, or accessories such as mugs, stickers, or tote bags. Promote your merchandise through your podcast episodes, website, social media channels, and email newsletters. Showcase product images, descriptions, and pricing information to entice listeners to make purchases. Offer limited edition or seasonal merchandise to create a sense of urgency and exclusivity. Engage with your audience by hosting giveaways, contests, or promotions tied to merchandise purchases to drive sales and foster community interaction around your podcast brand. If you want to know 15 websites can make anyone money online, make sure you click the video showing on the screen.